You've probably seen those shiny cans on the parts store shelf, maybe even heard some fella online swear it fixed up his ride. Engine flush, they call it. Internal cleaner. They make it sound like a miracle in a bottle. Dump it in your oil, run the motor a bit, and boom, sludge gone, engine sparkly clean. Tempting, ain't it? But let me tell ya, from one who's spent decades with grease under his nails and busted knuckles under hoods, most of that stuff's more trouble than it's worth. It don't just wash away the bad, it can stir up a hornet's nest and leave your engine worse off than before. Look, everyone wants their engine to hum like it's fresh off the factory floor. But over time, especially if you skip oil changes or the engine runs hot, that oil starts to break down and leave behind gunk, thick sticky stuff called sludge. And sure, the idea of dumping in a chemical that washes it all away in one go sounds like the dream. Problem is, your engine ain't some greasy skillet you can scrub clean with elbow grease. It's a delicate setup in there. Tiny oil channels, soft seals, bearings all moving in harmony. Those engine flush chemicals? They don't just go after the bad, they attack everything. It's like tossing bleach into your aquarium to clean algae. You might get rid of the muck, but you risk killing what's keeping things alive and running. Here's what we've seen time and time again in the shop. Someone pours in one of those 10-minute engine flushes, starts up the car, and the next thing they know, the engine's rattling or the oil pressure drops. Why? Because those strong solvents can break apart sludge too fast. That gunk doesn't just disappear. It can clog up your oil passages or jam up your oil pickup screen. Now your engine's starving for oil, and metal starts rubbing on metal. That's how a $10 bottle can lead to a $3,000 rebuild. Also, those cleaners can be hard on rubber seals. If your engine's older and you've got worn seals, the chemicals can dry them out or shrink them, leading to leaks you didn't have before. What looked like preventive maintenance ends up opening a can of worms. If your engine's running fine, don't go chasing miracles. The best cleaner for your engine has always been regular oil changes with good quality oil. That's it. Use the oil your car's manual recommends. Stick to a solid interval. We like every 5,000 miles for conventional or 7,500 for synthetic, and that fresh oil will slowly dissolve the light buildup over time, without shocking the system. If you're dealing with a sludged up engine, go slow. Use a high-quality synthetic oil with detergents built in. Some brands make a high-mileage formula designed to clean gently and condition old seals. Change the oil more often for the next few intervals. Let the fresh oil do its work gradually. You'll avoid all the sudden blockages and pressure drops that come from dumping in harsh chemicals. Not all oil additives are snake oil, but most of them are just flashy labels. Stick to what's proven: manufacturer-recommended oil, a good filter, and a clean oil change routine. If you're dead set on using something extra, look for products that are API certified and known to work with your oil, not fight against it. We've been working on engines for decades. The ones that last the longest aren't the ones that had every additive dumped in them. They're the ones that were taken care of regularly and gently. Keep your oil clean, your filter fresh, and your ears open. If the engine's happy, don't go fixing what ain't broke. That shiny bottle might look like a miracle fix, but it could be a Trojan horse. Engine cleaners that promise quick results often come with quiet consequences. If you love your car and want it to last, skip the flush and stick with what works: clean oil, a good filter, and regular maintenance. Take it from guys who've rebuilt more engines than they can count. Sometimes the best fix is the simplest one.